Minute 1. Tung enters IKEA for one item. He will not be back for a very long time. Minute 8. Every direction is an arrow. Every arrow leads to another arrow. He is in an arrow loop. Minute 20. He stops looking for the exit. He finds a sofa. The sofa wins. Minute 35. He finds himself, literally, flat-packed. Aisle 7, $49.99. Minute 50. He finds the exit. It is the cafe. The meatballs smell incredible. He sits down. Final minute. Ballerina Cappuccino works here. His list said one coffee. She was the answer. The exit was right there the whole time.